Edo State INEC don begin distribute sensitive election material for the State House of Assembly election wey dey come on Saturday for the different local government area for the state. Some party agents dey there to monitor the material as INEC dey share the election material for CBN wey dey Benin City. Edo State Resident Electoral Commissioner Obo Efanga tok say dem don collect all the sensitive election material and dem go share am give all the local government area for Edo today for the Saturday election. Im consti tok say everything don set for the election and the distribution go well as all the material with security people go reach the 18 local government today.
15th of March, and we are here at Central Bank to take the sensitive material, specifically the ballot papers and the result sheets that we are going to send to the local government areas ahead of the election on Saturday. Today is Wednesday, the election is on Saturday for the House of Assembly election in Edo State. We will also have the election into one of the federal constituencies that we couldn't have the election for the last time. We'll have all that on Saturday. So we've gone in with the party agents who are present here. We've looked at the materials where they are still in their crates and cartons. When we finish with this, we'll now bring out the materials to somewhere down there and arrange them local government by local government or constituency by constituency. The electoral officers will look at them, sort them out, and then the party agents will go and see and verify that the materials are intact, and then they will move them to the local government areas today. That means our staff in the local government areas have the whole of tomorrow to batch this into polling units by polling units, and they have tomorrow is Thursday, they have tomorrow, they have Friday to move it to the RACs, the registration area centers, and in good enough time, have all the refresher trainings that they are going to have for the ad hoc staff, so that on Saturday morning, they are out to the polling units early. All the materials will move to the local government areas today with the security personnel.
In consti tok say dem don do check to perfect all their plans to make sure say the forthcoming election dey more successful than the last one.
We have reviewed all that happened in the last election, and we have perfected plans to ensure that the next election is more successful in terms of time of opening of the polls. And as you see, last time we left here on a Thursday. Today, this time we are starting on Wednesday, so we have one day extra to make sure that we get ready to open the polling unit early on time. And then for the other issues of security concerns, we work with the security agencies. Remember, we have the Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security. Yesterday we had a meeting at the state level, and so we've looked at those areas that we had issues of insecurity, and they are working towards addressing those issues.
Some of the party agents come talk say they don see the material, say dem dey sealed and dem like as distribution dey take go, but dem never know if the materials dey complete as dem never begin open them.
Wetin we don see just now, we see say all the sensitive materials wey INEC bring, all of them dey sealed like they say they go dey. So we can't believe say as they dey sealed like that, it means say nobody don tamper with them. So we dey happy. But we never know if all the materials complete. So now that will be the next process where they say we want to do now to check if all the materials for every local government complete. So as soon as we don't check and see say they complete, then we will now talk say we dey satisfied. But for now, for what we don't see, we dey happy. And as I talked before, we dey pray, say whatever be the challenge when INEC experienced during the last election, say by now they go down arrange them so that we as a party, that is the People's Democratic Party, go dey happy say the election go dey free, fair and credible.
I don't come here today to come see for myself the sensitive material we will use for the forthcoming election. We will take place on Saturday, the 18th of March, 2023. But what I observe here today, what I see, the materials, the seal, they don't break anyone here. So, to the best of my knowledge, for now, INEC don't do well in respect of this way that is supply the material. So now what I get to talk for now with that, because we don't know what will happen from now henceforth.
From Benin City, Taiwo Ayeni, TMC TV News.